DC News, Yuma Obibia Aquaba, had the latest and hot news in one and I'm the Bremo, and we so we subscribe ya, or what you say over subscribe. You may say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. We answer you will be we upload on the first person I would say ever can ASAB. After so we are now one like the video and give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer first now when you be now Bawumia Akoto Ghana memoir. After young hair and some other toy so a year woman be our US with the ensemble African maybe a cost and so Emma what to be the Maya branch and friend or Henry Amwako. Boakye a Kennedy Agyapong TV station Net2 a year canena Kweku Annan maybe the seat. The nona branching to say or none this man or a war for the seat show no. A branch of friend or Henry Amwako and this will be two guys would be a year former president John Dramani Mahama. Now, and some year Okujeto a black one Bakaya what the story be about trouble team. I watch say a year the president, another Akufo Addo, the Mahama Mimu, a year edwina, any gyankroma, what a home a ball, a ambulance spare parts from Sammy. Now, and no and a year branch teacher say a propaganda near the nation what the two one a year Mammy or Wabuti, or USC, the boat and so Emma Babonti, other two to be their money a year branch, Emma Wada, and some do Nara Eddie. Now, I think tomorrow, yes, Samuel. You could hear my mean book for show in summer or did to I was setting the record straight. I want summer I could into a year needs about what they are to
the host guy be on Net2 TV GH na onona anapay me ba ne so kakra because sa ankrofo we a omumu bi na womugu Net2 TV GH Honorable Kennedy Agyapong platform no so no say anya careful awa omo ma Honorable Kennedy Agyapong president na yemu bi mo ye feel say obetumi edino ya anye careful a emma soda. There's this guy at Net2 TV GH and then answer me the photo ebe chremo ye friend no meba ma menko omo platform no so na mintumi money di enchremo Net2 TV MCS ye friend no amwako hene the flag bearer Net2 TV yeah. Ohene amwako sa na ye frɛ no guy we ohene amwako hosti me pacho obi nim na mon frɛ ne sɛ me se omra platform no so o metie asɛm a me wo ka kyerɛ no enra najo okofa abronye DC e de ne ba Net2 ne so enti me koso me kotie kakra na asɛm a me pese me bisa amwako hene or hene amwako the flag bearer in say like minu abema are you for real or hene amwako are you for real like you sit on Net2 TV GH and address the former president as if so when you're small boy be na wouldn't need dealing now who would tip any president Mahama amwako or hene amwako Net2 TV GH Honorable Kennedy Agyapong platform who would tip any president Mahama Okujeto ablakwa edi asemwaba. Okujeto ablakwa or a member of parliament. Nin semina or the ababe tu jano. Or say a through parliamentary oversight. And a man would discover their air pertaining to some ambulance scandal ya. Involving President Akufo Addo ne May. And okujeto no di asemanaba. Enye no nkwa. Na no Braine Champon hotels semia eno sokujeto kofa baye. It is as a result of parliamentary oversight, any vigilance, any ejuma or mind bia opposition party for e woso omoye eno kujeto no moye ene ma ye Ghana for ye hu nea ekoso as a result of se okujeto ni minority for ne de wo nan see from omunya Ghana for binom e supporting wo demonstrations ni ade adinti Braine Champon a Greek minister were pulling out of the snit deal. Then you, this small boy Ohene Amwako, you go and sit on Net2 yesterday and start insulting and denigrating the former president. A former president whom your boss, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong himself, has found the need to apologize to. Enti Ohene Amwako, uni menyansa, anase uni menyansa. Ohene Amwako, the host of the seat show Net2, mi bisawo, uni menyansa, ana uni menyansa. Because between wo any Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, why no kase se Ghana futi? Honorable Kennedy Agyapong na ono otua wo kano. Between ono any wo Mumienu, mo kasa was an sebi Net2 Neshua. And Radi Buamina Manuan Kotira Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. But between you and Honorable Ken, why no kasa was a Ghana 40? Meanwhile, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Nankasa, Aba Bekachre ye Ghana for the entire nation, any area singing said the MPP are looting Ghana like there's no tomorrow. Isn't Honorable Kennedy Agyapong that told us that? And we have the videos here, and maybe Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and Numun 7. Is it Honorable Kennedy Agyapong that told us that Bawumia had failed? Is it Honorable Kennedy Agyapong? Is it Honorable Kennedy Agyapong that told Ghanaians that they have stolen state lands? Mention people like Asensu Boakye. There's a guy called Virus in Bawumia's office. Was it Honorable Kennedy Agyapong that came to tell us? So when you or Aremeyaw Anas sit on your platform as a mere host of a program, a mere host, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong in Chiawoka, now we will actually say, near Okujeto Ablakwa, any the entire minority, dear free parliament, abano, a propaganda. You see that stupidity now Net2 TV GH, it needs to stop. And so being to me can't me catch them, Honorable Ken artist me catch them. And my friend Net2 penny for some of your bosses because Honorable Kennedy Agyapong me person media assembly say ebehano. And as someone be catch them and say, oh, so boy no, or your party animal. Chesa why you who say sebio abuebi ediama MPP. Now what te hono, what amwako hene, what te hono, wo bank balance, it is saying, wo bank balance, what te holding kwasiasem. What holding some phone? Akufo Addo money yakuku $10 million Ghana for sikadiyama woman. And you are coming to tell us say a propaganda and a minority for an Are you for real? And then now our mental faculties no offense and I'll bet na radio station Net2 neso. You see when you do that, mona mama ho kwan na enkrofo didi Honorable Kennedy Agyapong atemono. And your people like you. NINCOMP0OP like you and a mama quine and crofo did Honorable Ken Atem because Enran ya obey on Net2 platform notion a young quasiasem so be to me can't me catch now. My catch them on penny phone beside the pay meso camera amau or Aremeyaw Anas because who nim nyansa or could you try black dia semwaba. You are a media house like any other media house in Ghana. Joy News have interviewed Okujeto on this ambulance scandal. Good Morning Ghana, they have discussed it briefly. They said they will discuss it extensively tomorrow. A lot of media houses have gotten involved. Then here comes Net2 TV GH. Chesemona mobabeye MPP for dirty work. But you see, Aremeyaw Anas, you look stupid. You look very stupid when you try and clean the mess of the MPP. When majority of the mess that the MPP are in today, it is your own boss, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and they be a Ghana fueni. And do you see how stupid you are? Aremeyaw Anas, Net2 TV GH. Do you see how very stupid you are? How extremely stupid you are. Very stupid guy. Me who be that? Unni menyansa Aremeyaw Anas. Na me ya se lawyer mudate. Me aminu ya bema lawyer mudate. As say ono na heading Net2. Me nim se na oya on the blind side of our program ya. But I'm surprised because lawyer mudate ne ni se ka woman ne kwan man ye de oye enra no. Like what the hell? It does not even make any sense what happened on Net2 TV GH last night. Because moye media house, se mo bana mo ba be counter the Okujeto ablakwane minority for ne dia bana. Bring your facts. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is still a member of parliament. Is he not in parliament? Is Honorable Kennedy Agyapong the owner of Net2? Is he not still in parliament? So if the Okujeto minority for ne dia bano, enye no kwaria, bring the facts. Bring the facts to come and debunk their minority for ne dia bano concerning president and man any ambulances no. But the much be better now and run say, oh, John Mahama and okra flask and now until what I show no mansa and as I say they who so okra the flask ni biomo and your friend is saying I brought your crap paper be me and sembi. Oh, Okujeto, onya ni oye no, because na nubina na John Mahama so kono. One more ton cars bi o Jubilee House ho. Julius Debra and na chief of staff or Tobacco and a Joyce Bowen so Tobacco. And no na wo de ba be debunk $10 million ye dem president man. $34.9 million contract. ye diama president mano. Eno na wode di banki. That Joyce Bawa toka. That Julius Debra toka. Me Akufo Addo na me wofa blood ebusia. Unim cars o maton wo Jubilee House. Unim cars ayaton wo Jubilee House. Ah, me kra beti abroche na yafa phone afre me ebusia phone bi afa phone afre me. Se pesika na bra ne ento bi nsi garage mawo. No. Ohene Amuako, are you for real? Ana enra na ujimi na aba abete. Look, mo best say the way amoye niema wo Net2 ho na nka babu amo because mu gu Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ani mu ase. First and foremost, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, despite this type of dirty politics from 1992, amuna mu claim say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong sebio or no na dirty work Emma MPP for no. And we're sharing lessons. With the greatest of respect to Honorable Ken, he has learned his lessons because a Korea MPP for na or this type of dirty work Emma woman or man a catcher and say on your presidential material. Or man a catcher is on your presidential material. 10 things of Kennedy Agyapong, and you sit on Net2. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong pays you to act like a fool. Really? Honorable Ken pays you for you to come and act like a fool? Ohene Amuako. What a stupid guy. What a stupid guy. Because the level now Honorable Kennedy Agyapong last year, now all bufaso, all say nisika, na mu dinatem, na party for dinatem, man who da se wo, what na Net2 ne show defend the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. That level now last year, na Honorable Kennedy Agyapong pese odruno. Whether you like it or not, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, he's been there before. Baby, and now Honorable Ken Pese Odru last year, no, John Mahama has been there before. How dare you? No, how very dare you? Net2 TV GH. Someone kwasi adibina. Now in the past, no, it's a new day, it's a new dawn. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Nankasano, he is a brand new creature. He doesn't play those games anymore. So how dare you use his platform to continue to play those kind of dirty, stupid political games? Uni menyansa, ohini amuako. Uni menyansa, and she nyansa. Yenteha. And a wafa keke. No, the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong a year juma 17 years. Men kaina bush ya 4 years. And a blood clot. Eko share na koma home. Wafa keke yes a water from no Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ne bad boy Kenny Jr. Na Kenny Jr. ti studio or studio. Eji kikrim. Muma yentie Kenny Jr. asema okaye. Ghana for mumi yentie ohene Amuako tie. Wafa keke no yeduma wo Net2. Mumi yentie says Oman FM yentie. Ni nyina belongs to Honorable Ken.
To the hospital and the Akoto no yeni no eni enkomo e wa say Ira Ken Ohene Agyapong group chairman. Ken City and Makuno is in Naso.
Foolishness needs to stop.
With other family members. Ntiabushia group chairman and Afriyie CEO and the director.
They are two of a cake.
And the entire management. They are a S Ghana, said the Martin, Sa and the Tien. To hear my father no pay and say Hopeson and about the director at Nasi. Kenneth the Chi Agyapong. I mean, NINCOMP0OP briefly. We are now other working staff and so about it. Director, good morning.
Morning.
Now, maybe I will call there.
I don't. You see the crowd answer question the crowd, but yes sir, no idea.
Net2. Another worker of Honorable Ken Agyapong.
What's happened? Ona, you who say Udimu Akotina Modern Hospital. Then a course of Brebena when you offer share with us.
Once I use a morning show in your bar, I was through our MCR into Frida Ephraim so oh Madam Simon Brafo now my brand office now a new lady will have over Kaya home over Hano.
Okay.
Until me call Madam Hononam Madam Yenen lady in Casa. No can say oh men channel around.
Okay, what the
like
now
baby till call a new more client service or man Net2. The call from say honey here, where office ni. Now yeah, on the second part of the building, we go through corridor no, and we say oh, Oman newsroom near.
Okay.
Oman on Net2 newsroom near Oman FM studios in Bakuni.
Okay.
Inti me call studio honor and I not offer. Because I'm so that time I'm for a muko break. Inti not offer about out.
For free radio studio.
About out. Once the radio studio double doors.
Yeah.
Second door no now. About out. Then I make us offer on the private man home because usually when in the back pair around the same time, me home phone. And now and I tell about so. And I say on for me home now. In the morning anyway, but where a new lady over joining. But now it's over for me on so BBM.
On craft phone so.
Debbie, you know, for sure phone say of I'm say of morning na new lady over kind of here.
Okay.
Into opejani tia or sin na so mu no kasa so mu group mu say. Na otomi so.
Yam poso wa. Sa new lady ya oba so be adwuma won Net2 TV GH that day as a cleaner. It turns out say na oye nurse ni. O mind fun or mind tantai a memo fun tantai amaba bebu. The past 8 years. And I'm a nurse ni na adwuma bona o kwakope adwuma wo no abo Kennedy Agyapong ho as a cleaner. What in Net2 ho ye ka wo me yenka. Ofui Wahine amwako unnim nyansa. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong the campaign last year. Did he not tell us a Ghana first? What was the premise of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong the campaign? Was it not so obabebuye enyuma many penye biaye? Sitana yedi bibe buye enyuma yedi bibe tue adwuma ye for kana the nurses for doctor for na ade. Yeah Honorable Kennedy Agyapong campaign last year. Enye ye na ne yedi tutu ye ho say cancer machine ni o manum ba ko pe wo manum wa Ashanti region a 13 regions. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ko ye ndi ya mfa metutu ye ho wo social media so amfa nye campaign ama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong $10 million a wo masesa mankwasiafo girls Akufo Addo ma no ye de to dialysis machines ni bi ni cancer machines ni bi si o menum e de bi tue adwuma ye fo ka anko bi bakwa nurse ni bakwa pe cleaning job Honorable Kennedy Agyapong adwuma mu $10 million ya sama Akufo Addo ma adwuma be no ye e ma Ghana nje ye kukuru $10 million de ama wom $10 million stupid boy. Now who says kana ye bono kura woti ase ohene amwako woti show no so the seat me flag bearer nkwase de amode mama mu ho Ghana politics no mo e be didi John Mahama atem abodam papa brana be dispute ensem okujeto ni minority for the aba Ghana for ye dwendwene ho a ye dwere kwan be fa so ye nsa be ka ye sika e kwan ye nsa be fa ye state ensase e kwan ye be fa ye nsa be ka ye hotels ne eno ma aban we ye wia which Honorable Kennedy Agyapong na aba be ka ensem no kure mu dudu na ade a kire ye nye okujeto ablakwa krono na akoso wa aban we mu the past 8 years no Honorable Kennedy Agyapong wo boss a wo te ne hard and sika di tua wo ka no ono na aka ensem no emu akese de a kire Ghana fo wo te Net2 no so enra e pese wo ka kire ye se de na je Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no oni munyansa ana Honorable Kennedy Agyapong sebe chese wabodam e no soro okasa ba ha wo Ghana ho e na wo na babeka no kura e wa asem no de a kire yen wo ba ye so wan fa evidence bi ama wan fa facts bi ama e so wo claim say we media house we media personality now we bobo top 10 journalists in Ghana wo why na bebo udi ye bo top 10 journalists or my Ghana wo ohene amwako who knows you in Ghana apart from MPP for kakra bi o mo hwe Net2 who knows you why na nimu wo Ghana ho so we journalist wo Ghana ho foolish boy. Or mine in the paper money and a memo fun tantanya mubabebu ya which Honorable Kennedy Agyapong agrees with us. So memo na mubebu ya memo fun tantanya. And can nurse ni beka kwa cleaning job. Was it Honorable Kennedy Agyapong that came to tell us that upon small you know muhu say wofa keke collapse yen and muhu say sa cleaner no sa or your nurse. Or your nurse ni asembintia and ankoba bepe cleaning job. Stupid guy. What Babe catch said you could get as and some of the other propaganda. Propaganda, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong said you on parliament. Dating a woman from Honorable can not find no quarter was a woman now from better than Net2 home from the bank you could get to the Abana. Who has a $10 million a Sika Kitwa? $10 million wouldn't incubate me a Ghana. Woman and Chuaso.
Wow. Wow. This is very sad. This is very sad. On your way to the hospital. On the way to the hospital, I'm gonna Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, the baboy no, already was a cake airco hospital no. Mommy and Teddy see what passion. Then of course it was didn't see.
Oh, from Hanum there, to be honest, not the two cars Neko Sasuka and under the two cars.
Question number 1. Mpese me bisa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ba boy penyin ne say. Amra wo mode wo fake asem ni si ye no. America na wo fake ke wo. E na asem ni si ya. Sebe na natechi anko be frɛ ambulance and anko be fa car mienu. Mi bisa na natechi o. America e na senka wo mo wo. E na asem to wo fake. What is the first mode of action or course of action na natechi would have taken? Na natechi would have called the ambulance. Ghana ambulance in your jumenti. And your ambulance as a man ye can yakokuru $10 million Ken Ofori Atta kuku diama girlsy. Edwuma ba na girls no maye. Edwuma ba no maye na Ghana ho. Ya yakokuru $10 million diama wom. Na ye can mo me yenka. What oba be did His Excellency John Dramani Mahama atem. Na dia John Mahama wa achieve no the position na wa achieve wa Ghana no. That is what Honorable Kennedy Agyapong wanted to achieve with all of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong's money. He has not been president before. John Mahama has been president before. How dare you? Entuaso.
Pin. How did I go for clear away? Echo towards after Presec road going almost towards Oponglo.
Okay.
So it'll be not one person.
Asia semwakwa ade na Ghana obi yare na wo se yetam le toka mu na yebo pin mo me bisa na natechi nya na I'm not having a go at na natechi. I'm having a go at Ohene Amoako. Me pese Ohene Amoako ebi a wontu kwan da enti wani mue ti wadwene mu ndo ti na Jimmy bata wo ho a wodi ti Net2 the seat program no so enra na adwo no bisa na natechi sa America na asemi to wo fa keke e na mpo o man frɛ ambulance no mo de ne to car mu a ka won babo pin se nkrofo emfiri kwam ana se some way somehow no nkrofo hu say emergency and nkrofo kra na be free kwam automatically. It will not even happen in the United States of America. It will not even happen because the natechi frɛ ambulance wa America and now UK depending on near onkobeka kire ambulance fo no wo mo bana doctor ka ho asiafo omo banka doctor beka ho afi ni yegyina wona ye nkrofo na move the move free kwam madina ngole gonkwa so move free kwam dentia $10 million yakukura ama Akufo Addo ma akiyetumi di tre kwan nim ankiyetumi di twa ambulance lane kwa America na kwahwe wo mo roads ni bi wo mo obi bi e friend easy pass unya tua easy pass e fast lane speed lane wonna musa sa heart attack na sa na manema de to wo fa keke so seconds. Every second counts to save a life. Na mumi yentie dia na natechi honorable ba no mumi yentie dia obeka
Obian space so aside obian be so betu pin na me see free car new so no way na you call me problem na done cuz I'm like half shoe. You tell me to me can you know me to me car in the middle of the road.
Na honorable Ken Banakura as a bodemini on the middle of the road and or pankrofo chaw montwe o emergency na ebe yo $10 million yakukura ma Akufo Addo ma a okuje to abla kwa air ka kire ye no anka yetumi de biegu kwan enu yetumi de tre kwan enu yetumi kura de to air ambulance e manka yetumi airlift wo fa keke ka ambulance air ambulance to me ba be fa no. Air ambulance, for those of you who don't know, it's a type of like a helicopter and ke betumi aba be fa wo fa keke. Air ambulance ke betumi aba be fa wo fa keke na airlift no to save time, to save the man's life. A big rank air ambulance and you reduce such a debate to say John Mahama na say the onama ye hu se okita flask wa bodam papa.
Yo, if we're waiting and somewhere, mommy or US, in some of the two guardian by a coso, a yes ambulance, nonsense, me, Akufo Addo, mamma, you Eddie Abbey, a year branch here, what a year, so I some of Okaye, when a mammy, able and you saw about team, about to be Eddie Amman and nowadays, and some to go now, which I said, Mokramo can be eating a mouth with the Kennedy Agyapong all the time out. Because you so and I will hear so we are subscribe ya Bomodia say over subscribe now what like it now feel so I share video I'm all for any be so I share also get me actually what you for here and so we get home will comment box me mobile interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.